Why are you worried about me? I'm
Well,
side
man,
by side with you.
I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. Could be a sleeper still.
Well, we all can be, really, at this point.
True.
I'll keep some watch, okay, guys? Okay.
Rick, I don't know, man. He's kind of sketchy.
I'm always sketchy.
Danny's British, so he can't be.
No, I think
That's awesome. Well, I'll be honest with you, I never even thought about that. I preferred to have the people with me. He's talking about you follow him, he's going to shoot you.
Yep. Yeah, so if the terrorist ends up shooting him, we may not even know who the terrorist is.
Exactly. No, I can respect that. I can respect that. Just do it. Yeah, he's the only one, so just...
Anyone could lie.
Don't want to do this.
What's that guy that went out in the deployment out there?
I'm watching him, okay, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Or one of our people?
I don't know.
He's looking real shady.
Yeah, like, what?
Let's just take positions, everybody. Best way to do it.
He's got his position.
I'm watching you.
Alright.
Can we get a gun on him, please?
Yeah, this guy is acting...
I'll get a gun. Hold on. Hey, who's that over there?
Who is over there?
I don't know. Who is that? Is that... Oh, okay.
Oh, he's got the bright idea. Go into the train.
True. But he can be a terrorist.
Fair enough.
I now declare myself.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, this is really stressful.
I declare all of you terrorists.
It's stressful as hell. Not knowing who. We got a lot of people. Oh, shit.
This guy right here, what is wrong with you? You keep pointing guns at people.
Well, I suppose in hindsight, that's really not a bad idea. We don't know. Is somebody shot already? I think so, or safety killed. I gotta say, I feel like Forrest Gump. So is that thing really cool? You know, I've never really tried that. They say shamags are cool. They're cool. Like, literally, like they cool you off. I don't know, because I've never worn one like how you are, so I'm just curious, are you cool right now?
Oh, the vest?
No, the shamag. Your shamag. Yes.
It's definitely better than a mask.
Okay.
I'm sure if you dip it in cold water or something, you'll be fine.
Whew. Oh. Oh. Whew. Getting old. I'll tell you, this shit's hot. Sitting on this concrete beam is hot.
Hey, try getting inside of one of those. I did it like 2 weeks ago. It was so hot.
This small, I would never do it. You would never catch me. Now, a big one, yeah.
No, I can't get in that one, but
Whew.
there's the one that's like
Shit.
right there. I ain't getting that one.
Okay. Well, this is hot
They
and
added some more pipe size.
balls.
Since last week.
Ooh. My ass cheeks hurt. I ain't sitting on this no more. It's cooler standing up.
Has anybody been asked over here?
I don't know. I'm like super confused now. It kind of threw me off when old boy was like, "You follow me, I'm gonna shoot you." I prefer the cover, so it kind of
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
threw off the whole thing.
It is so immensely hot.
It is, brother. Well, we're gonna be leaving at about 1600. I gotta take a couple of people back to Raleigh to do their swimming assessment.
Yeah.
But it was definitely cool being out here with you, man.
Yeah, man, it's a great field. I love it.
It is. We'll definitely be coming out more. I think they're gonna try and work some things out, make it worth our while for sure.
Nice.
And
How
we'll
far is the drop?
almost an hour. I mean, not too bad.
Yeah.
Like I said, we made really good time getting here. I think we left about 8:45-ish, close to 9. We got there about 9. I want to say 9:50. So it wasn't bad. We was moving pretty good, and still had time, get our stuff together. Somebody shot. Shoot the nipple! Not you. Shoot the fat boy's nipple! Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. I can reach you from here.
Is that a Polar Star?
No, hell no. I'm like you, S&P.
Dude, Josh is a detective. He's being sketchy.
Yeah.
There's like 3 Joshes here. Dude, if people start unloading fire, I'm just gonna
that's
cover my
crazy.
body because...
That's gonna suck for you.
Oh God, oh God. Is there anybody back there?
Nah, we're good. There will be no flanking here.
No flanking here.
Hell
You shall
no.
not pass. Could he like change the rule to where the detective is a terrorist?
That would suck.
Yeah.
See, I ran up on people.
Yeah.
I already had ideas of who, just because of movement. I mean, you can't look sketch.
Yeah, that's definitely an issue that
You know.
people have, is they'll be walking around like, oh, you terrorist?
No.
Who's dead? What?
Wow. Hoban, I'm sorry, I won't fuck his name up. Hoban. I know people are particular about that. I get it. Are you serious? Oh!
Nice kill.
He's dead.
You're dead, nice.
You can't.
Whoa. Nice kill?
Hey.
I thought you were like that. With a
You're
knife.
turban? We're both turbans.
Oh, really?
Terrorist.
I did that. I completely forgot, in all honesty.
Bad.
Okay, that did happen. That did happen. It hurt. No wonder you weren't sketched out.
Mm-hmm. Good question. You a terrorist? Akbar. Let's find
No,
him.
I'm a terrorist.
Going over there, but it'd be bad if we saw him. amount of birds that you could do, you think you could get those 3 guys right there? Or I could run up or walk up and try to knock them.
I wanted to take out that entire group.
Do that, and then I'll just send my eye on them. Right. Which ones again? Who are you going after?
The 4 over there, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna see what I can do.
That'll work.
I'm already stressed out about it.
Yeah.
Could the detective be chilling with guys that are terrorists?
That would be true.
Because there's a certain stage in where you don't ask people, and he could be.
Yeah.
What are you doing, kid? Are your pants duct tape?
Yes.
Somebody got hit!
Running around with a tomahawk.
French Hawk, fool. Terrorist intel. He's trust the dead terrorist.
Headshot.
You a terrorist, man?
No.
They keep
He looks like a terrorist.
I'm running around with a shotgun and
You
no
look like
shirt.
a terrorist.
He's shirtless with something covering his whole face. He looks like a terrorist.
Hmm.
You're wearing a safari hat. No.
Yeah, I look like I should be in Nam or something.
I don't know. Alright.
Hey, are you guys dead? Are you guys dead?
Yeah, see. Guy with a tomahawk.
I was shooting at the terrorist.
Yeah, it doesn't say that you can't. Who? Who? Hit! 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 Hit!
good job, man.
Good stuff. Oh, that was great.
I was hoping to coordinate with you and take out everyone on.
Yeah, we couldn't because it got too hot. Then he was over here. Then damn Bones was on me the whole time.
That's because I stayed beside you and I could feel you turn. I was like, this motherfucker.
I was just like, why is he over there? Like, why is he over there just chilling?
That's like I looked at you, I was like,
I already know, you know. I was hoping you would. I was really surprised. I was like, okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna get a knife in the side or
no,
something.
you know. No.
No, I took those 2 out quietly. I'm like,
Wait,
get
you're
up
a
and walk
terrorist?
off the field. Go.
Yeah, well, see, that's what
then I went
the
and sat
plan
right
was.
All right.
That's
He
how
he
Johnny
gave
killed
me
me.
his gun. I'm like, here, let me see your handgun. He's like, let me get you. I'm like, here you go, Junior. He gives me the handgun. Pow, Ward. Pow to him.
That's awesome. That's
That
awesome.
was quick too. Like that was.
I didn't even realize he shot him at first.
And then everyone's in shock, like, huh? And then someone yelled, terrorist, and I just took fucking like 12 rounds to the neck.
Oh. I'm just chilling, man. Good stuff, guys.
That's why you were getting away from me. I was like, this.
You see, I wasn't sure what you was gonna do, and then Michael walking around here.
Alone, and then it'd be like, look, I already know what you're gonna do. So this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna go out there. You're gonna say I'm a terrorist and I'm dead.
Oh man, that's great. Oh, like they said, ex-detective, huh?
You were a terrorist?
Yep.
Ex-detective.
He said ex-detective.
I knew by the smile on your face, I'm like, oh shoot.
Dude, I think I was the last terrorist.
You were.
Oh, I didn't
Cause they surrounded me. They was.
together.
I was chilling over there, and I see.
They brought numbers, so it wasn't. It wasn't gonna end well.
I shot somebody, and then there was a kid that was standing in the group of dead people that killed me. I was like, I didn't even know you were alive.
Wow.
He was like in the group talking to him. I was like, what is this?
Good
job, man.
We tried.
That was fun.
Yeah, I was going to start shooting over there.